Here's my secret to transforming my morning routine into an energizing experience. Normally, I wake up feeling like a zombie, but this recipe helps me feel more awake and ready to conquer the day. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and I'm excited to share a fabulous DIY recipe that invigorates your mornings with the uplifting scents of coffee and Mandarin essential oils. In this video, you'll learn how to create your own Morning Joe shower steamer, designed to awaken your senses and invigorate your spirit as you start your day. This easy-to-make shower steamer will leave your bathroom smelling divine while providing a refreshing burst of aroma to make every morning feel like a treat. This delightful recipe is included in Simply Earth's DIY gift-giving recipe box, which has everything you need to craft your own energizing shower steamers perfect for busy mornings. These ingredients can also be found on simplyearth.com. We all know mornings can be tough. Waking up feeling groggy and unmotivated is too familiar. Many conventional shower products can be harsh and provide little uplifting energy, leaving you craving something refreshing to jumpstart your day. Finding a natural way to elevate your morning routine shouldn't feel overwhelming. Enter the Morning Joe shower steamer. This refreshing blend is made from simple, natural ingredients that release an amazing energizing aroma to help wake you up and get you moving. The delightful combination of coffee and Mandarin essential oils will turn your daily shower into a refreshing experience. You'll love how the shower steamer transforms your morning ritual. It allows you to start your day with clarity and enthusiasm, all thanks to the powerful scents enveloping you. Turn off distractions because making is healing. Let's make this Morning Joe shower steamer recipe from Simply Earth. I'm going to be grabbing these ingredients from our DIY gift-giving recipe box, but you can also find them at simplyearth.com. Let's make it. For this recipe, you will need 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. This adds moisturization benefits, and you'll find it in your big bonus box that comes free with your recipe box. You'll need 3 drops of Mandarin essential oil, which helps with emotional balance. 2 drops of coffee essential oil, which is energizing and supports awareness. You'll need a round silicone mold like this green one that came in your first Simply Earth recipe box. And from your home, you will need a 1/4 cup of baking soda. And I'm going to be using some of these whole coffee beans to decorate my shower steamer, but that is optional. You could also use flower petals or something like that, or leave it plain. First, I'm going to melt the coconut oil in a double boiler or a microwave using short intervals. This is gonna melt super quickly in the microwave. I'm just gonna put it in for 10 seconds. Now I'm gonna mix in the essential oils, make sure that they are nice and diluted into the coconut oil. And now I add the baking soda and stir until evenly combined. You want to make sure that all of the baking soda gets into this coconut oil so that it packs into our mold. Right now I've got this dry, powdery stuff that hasn't come into contact with the coconut oil yet. We need it to be a packable consistency. Hold some of the mixture and release. If the mixture holds together, pack it into the mold. If the mixture crumbles, add a small amount of fractionated coconut oil and stir it until it reaches the right consistency. Now I'm gonna pack this mixture into the mold. We've got the Simply Earth logo on the bottom, and we can decide if we want the coffee beans on the bottom by that logo or on top. I think I'll press mine into the bottom. Now I am going to push my mixture into the mold. Depending on what kind of septic system you have, as you use this in the shower, you may want to take the coffee beans out and not let them go down the drain. Allow the shower steamer to dry for about 24 hours. To use, place the steamer in the bottom of the shower. The hot water from the shower will break up the steamer, transferring the essential oils into the air for an energizing aroma. Make sure to label the jar that you have this in so you remember what it is. Let's test it out. Don't miss out on this energizing experience. Grab your DIY gift-giving recipe box from Simply Earth and start crafting your Morning Joe shower steamer today. I can't wait to see how your steamers turn out. Share your unique creations on social media, tagging from Simply Earth and using hashtag #IMadeThis. When you do this, you'll be entered into our hashtag #IMadeThis challenge to win a $5 gift card from Simply Earth. You can see details for this below. Like and subscribe to these videos to get more natural recipes just like this.